After downloading and installing ServBay, open it. Go to the left navigation menu, click Services, then AI below it, and choose Ollama. Click the green button to download it. Once downloaded, activate it. Still in the left menu, click AI in the search bar, search for DeepSeek. Choose the model size according to your needs. Here, I'll choose the 14B model. Next, search for Embed and select Nomic Embed Text. Click Download. It's pretty fast. Then, we search for anything LLM, which we installed earlier. Then, click the Settings button below to enter the settings area. At the very top, AI Provider, LLM Preferences, click it. For LLM Provider, choose Ollama. Keep the URL at the default. Then, select the model you just downloaded, so here we choose DeepSeek-R1 14B. Click Save Changes in the top right. Next, go to Embedder Preferences. For Embedding Engine Provider, again choose Ollama and select the Nomic Embed Text you just installed. The URL here should be the same as the previous URL. Save changes. Back in the workspace, click New Workspace. Enter a workspace name and save it. If we try to ask a question, you'll find that the AI can't answer. Click the Upload button on the left and upload the learning documents you've prepared. Click Move to Workspace and save. Now, if we ask the question again, the AI can answer it very well. After deploying your own AI locally with ServBay, you can quickly train your own dedicated AI customer service agent. Isn't that incredibly convenient?